We are a service company, and along the years, we have specialized a lot in the financial sector. That represents 35% of our business, our global business. Just to make a quick introduction, we have today here our colleagues, Maria Sullivan from Boston. We have also Rania Malou from New York. We have also here Bill Ridley, our Vice President for Marketing. So this is our group of companies. Here we have two American companies, Tech Team and CXI, which is part of the Stefanini group. So Tech Team specialized in infrastructure services and very, very focused in service desk. CXI is more SAP, is a run SAP certified company. We have also Sunrising, which is an Oracle-based company. And we have Ailtom Stefanini as consulting, software development, infrastructure services, BPO. We have Informatica Tecnologia from Colombia, which is a huge Latin American company. Vanguard, our governance, IT governance company. We have experts in IT governance, and also we have solutions. We distribute IBM solutions here. And Orbital, which is our financial service company, very specialized in BPO, and I will talk a little bit about this company. So Stefanini as a group is present now in 30 countries. We are present in all continents. We have delivery centers strategically located in some offshore locations, in low-cost centers like India, like Romania and Poland, Latin America. And also we have delivery centers here in the US, in Richmond and Detroit. And from these locations, we are able to serve our customers globally. We have a lot of global customers with global MSA, and we are serving them in software development, service desk, and other services like BPO and so on. So after some history of organic growth, we decided to go to grow through acquisitions. And last 3 years, we have acquired some interesting companies. Last year, Stefanini has made $720 million revenues. We are projecting for this year, 2012, $1.1 billion in revenues. So we have this already in our books. This is just a picture about our services in financial sector. We have today in total 17,000 employees, but 4,300 dedicated to the financial sector. And we have competences in people very well skilled in all these kind of functionalities. This is our financial service company. We are growing the portfolio in order to expand our offering to the financial sector. And some examples of our banking portfolio. Among more than 500 global corporations that we have in our portfolio, here we have all banks we are serving in the world. Okay. So I think this event, we expected to hear a lot about operational efficiency, which is one of the main subjects, the main concerns nowadays to improve banking operations, and also about innovation. So talking a little bit about the operational efficiency, we are working a lot with banks in the optimization, in order to optimize their IT infrastructure, also also business process. For this reason, we have some very important partnership. One of them, what I think most important in this area, is ECOX, which is our partner here in the US and other countries, and they will show some tools very, very strong to optimize infrastructure services. Stefanini is specialized in work in architectures in order to review the entire IT platform, IT footprint of our customers, and see what we can do in order to transform that in something lighter, transform that in something more performatic, and something that can generate more business and be open to new technologies. So that's very important. When we look at this kind of infrastructure, we think also about performance. We think also about process, not only IT process, but business process as well. And there are systems that will be supporting the new business and the new IT platform. For this reason, our company are involved in many big IT optimization projects for banks. And also, we are involved and investing a lot in order to create a good service to support their business. Because part of this optimization, part of this operational efficiency process will deliver a lot of solutions like BPO to support banking services and banking processes. This is our framework that we are now using, and the company is organized in order to provide and support services. When we are looking at a new platform, new architecture platform, we need to think about how we will be supporting the old one. It's not easy to go to the new platform when you are talking about a large bank, because the operations is, the day-by-day operations is there. At the end of the day, we need to know how to support that and how to create the new architecture, the new platform. It's not easy, but a lot of it needs a lot of investment. So that's why we organized the company, our area, to support the entire infrastructure services. So here is some part of our view, another story, to support business and IT. So we created, in each area, we have process, tools, and people skilled enough to implement and to support areas and develop a new view, a new platform for our customers. And we focus in some important things like innovation, because all banks from now on will be experiencing a lot of new challenges in terms of how to deliver their transactions, their products, based on young generation and other challenges they will face. So we also create a framework to orient our IT areas, our banking customers in their IT areas, and how to organize their processing area to support this innovation, these new trends. And here we heard a lot about customer experience, which is now the new trend and the new way in how banks should operate or should look at the market. So banks are from now on will be much more customer-centric. They need to hear what their customers are doing. So I think Mauricio showed very well this in his tool, because we can capture the customer experience online in real time using this kind of tools. And this will be very important because they are operating in Facebook, they are operating in social networks, they are operating everywhere. And we need to know what they are doing. We need to understand what is their preferences. What are their preferences in order to deliver the right service, the right transactions, the right moment, and generate business with that. So we need to be very creative. We need to be very mobile in our solutions. So we need to have presence, and we need to innovate in order to have their attention, and to have our customers working with us. So we have also a partnership here, a good partner here, Red Drummer, which is one of these new solutions, represents here part of the innovation, the feature of banking transaction. So I believe this will change a lot, will modify a lot the way how to do business in the banking sector. Customization is the way. So we need to deliver customized solutions to our customers in order to attract their attention, in order to deliver service where they are. And I'm bringing the chart that was a Gartner study. It was in 2011, 1 year ago, July of 2011. And here, Gartner tried to show, to bring us a projection about what we're going to do, what we're going to do in the 5 to 10 years. But it was 1 year ago, and we can see that their projections, some of their projections for the next 2 years is already happening. So we see that when they talk about less than 2 years, we have many of these already happening here, like cloud computing. Everybody is working in order to create a regulatory compliance, a regulatory mark for cloud computing, because if you look at the last statistics, so a lot of studies are saying that till 2020, the volume of data that we have today will be increased 44 times. So how can an infrastructure, how can banks support their operation efficiency with 44 times of increasing of storage? So that's very difficult. So I think cloud computing, the solutions, the regulatories and trends will be accelerated from now on in order to support this huge demand. So other things that we can see, they are projecting NFC payments for the next 5 to 10 years. I think NFC payments will happen much earlier than this. So we have already device produced bring NFC in their hardware, and they are already working in NFC. So it's one thing that will movement a lot in terms of mobile payment, and it will happen much earlier than this. So many other trends that you can have access to this presentation and see how many things have been projected for the future in terms of innovation, and when they are estimated this happening. So we'll be talking about the subjects, we'll be talking about innovation, we'll be talking about operational efficiency here during these 2 days in our booth. So we'll be at your disposal to discuss these subjects and to change some experience and what we have done on this area and what kind of achievements we have got in operational efficiency projects. I can assure that we can give many interesting information and how we could reduce $100 million in infrastructure, $100 million in business process, and how we can create a very open environment to receive new technologies. So that's what we are doing, and that's what we want to share with you. So this is just a summary about our company and our services, and thank you very much for your attention. We are at your disposal during these 2 days, and of course, our colleagues from the US, here from Boston, and other cities are available all the time to discuss about all these subjects and other things. Thank you very much.